Want to make this at home? It's easier than you think. This is my high-protein chicken burrito bowl. It's healthy.
High-protein chicken burrito bowl. The only chicken burrito bowl you'll ever need, better than Takeout and 40 grams protein. Have you ever spent money on a burrito bowl only to discover the chicken was dry, the rice was bland, and everything tasted exactly the same? The secret isn't expensive ingredients. It's knowing a few simple techniques that transform everyday food into something you'd happily order at your favorite restaurant. Today I'll show you exactly how to make a delicious, high-protein chicken burrito bowl that's packed with flavor, perfect for meal prep, ready in about 20 minutes, and even tastes fantastic the next day. Let's get started. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Namsa's Kitchen. I'm Nomusa Grace, the face behind this channel, and I believe healthy food should never be boring. Here, we create delicious, wholesome recipes that nourish both body and soul, because eating well should always be a joy. Every recipe on this channel is designed to be simple enough for busy weekdays while still looking and tasting special. Whether you're trying to eat healthier, build muscle, prepare lunches for the week, or simply enjoy a delicious homemade meal, this recipe checks every box.
Welcome to Namsa's Kitchen.
Let's begin with the ingredients. Ingredients. Today's recipe uses simple ingredients that work beautifully together.
Healthy food can be beautiful.
We'll need chicken breast, olive oil, chili powder, smoked paprika, ground cumin, garlic powder, fresh lime juice, cooked rice, black beans, sweet corn, cherry tomatoes, creamy avocado, finely diced red onion, fresh coriander or cilantro, your favorite salsa, and a little sea salt. One reason I love this recipe is that every ingredient contributes something different. The chicken gives us lean protein. The rice provides satisfying energy. The beans add fiber and extra protein. Corn brings sweetness. Tomatoes add freshness. Avocado contributes healthy fats and a creamy texture. Together they create a balanced meal that's colorful, nutritious, and incredibly satisfying.
Here is everything you need for the perfect high-protein bowl. Let's start
Preparing
with
the
this fresh
chicken. Before seasoning, gently pat the chicken dry with paper towels. This might seem like a small step, but it's one of the biggest secrets to getting beautiful golden color instead of pale, steamed chicken. Next we'll add olive oil, chili powder, smoked paprika, cumin, garlic powder, sea salt, and fresh lime juice. Massage everything into the chicken so every surface is evenly coated. If you're cooking tonight, 15 minutes of marinating is enough. If you're meal prepping, refrigerate it overnight for even deeper flavor. One tip I'd like to share is not to leave chicken in acidic marinades for extremely long periods because the lime juice can begin changing the texture of the meat.
Freshly seasoned
Overnight is
or
usually the
marinated.
perfect balance.
Both yield
Cooking the chicken. Heat a heavy frying pan or grill pan over medium-high heat.
Now
Resist
we
the
need to get our
temptation
pan
to add the
smoking
chicken
hot.
before the pan is properly hot.
Now we need to get our
When the
pan
chicken
to
touches the
medium
pan,
hot heat.
you should immediately hear that satisfying sizzle. That's the sound of flavor developing. Place the chicken
Just
into
leave
the
it
pan
alone.
and leave it alone. One of the biggest mistakes home cooks
Just
make
leave
is
it alone.
constantly moving the meat. Every time you lift it too
Just leave
early,
it alone.
you interrupt the browning process. Allow each side to cook for about 6 to 7 minutes, depending on thickness, until beautifully caramelized and fully cooked. The safest way to check doneness is with a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should reach 74
Perfectly
degrees
cooked at
Celsius
74
or
degrees.
165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now remove the chicken and let it rest for 5 minutes. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat instead of running onto your chopping board. Once rested, slice it into beautiful strips. Notice how juicy it looks. That's exactly what we're aiming for. Preparing the vegetables.
Now
Without
let's
washing
layer
the
those
pan,
beautiful
add the black
flavors.
beans and sweet corn.
Now
Those
let's
delicious
layer those
browned bits
beautiful
left
flavors.
behind from the chicken are full of flavor. Stir everything together for just a few minutes until heated through. Meanwhile, slice the avocado, halve the cherry tomatoes, finely dice the red onion, and chop the fresh coriander. Fresh ingredients like these bring color, texture, and freshness that perfectly balance the smoky chicken.
It's
Building
all
the
about color
perfect
and
burrito
balance.
bowl. Now
Fresh
comes my
ingredients
favorite
make-
part. Start with a generous layer of warm rice. If you'd like even more flavor,
Let's build
stir a
the
little fresh
perfect
lime
burrito
juice and
bowl.
chopped coriander into the rice before serving. Arrange the chicken, beans, corn, tomatoes, avocado, and red onion in separate sections around the bowl. This isn't just about presentation. Keeping the ingredients separate allows every bite to be slightly different, creating a much more enjoyable eating experience. Finish with fresh salsa, sprinkle over the chopped coriander, and squeeze a little extra lime over everything just before serving. The aroma is incredible.
Here
Meal
is my
prep and
completed
storage
chicken
tips.
burrito bowl.
This
It's
recipe
so
is
delicious.
excellent for meal prep. Store the chicken, rice,
this
beans,
beautiful
and
bowl.
vegetables in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For the
This is
freshest
how I make
results,
healthy
keep the
eating
avocado
easy
separate
all
and
week
slice
long.
it just before serving. When reheating, warm only the chicken, rice, beans, and corn. Then add the fresh vegetables afterwards. This keeps every bowl tasting freshly made. You can also customize this
Now we just
recipe
add
by
our fresh
swapping brown
toppings to
rice
keep
for
it
white
nice and
rice,
vibrant.
adding roasted peppers,
Now we just
using
add the
Greek
fresh
yogurt
toppings,
instead of sour cream,
like some
or
ripe
adding extra
avocado.
vegetables for even more fiber.
Eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. Plan ahead.
Taste test. The chicken is incredibly juicy
So
with
good,
just the
you
right
mu-
amount of smoky spice. The creamy avocado softens the gentle heat from the seasoning, while the sweet corn, fresh tomatoes, and tangy salsa make every bite taste fresh and vibrant. It's filling without feeling heavy, and it's exactly the kind of meal that makes healthy eating enjoyable.
Thank you so much for watching. And remember to subscribe. Welcome to the family. Come join us and let's get cooking. How do you build your perfect burrito bowl? Now I want to know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Verse of the day. Before we say goodbye, I'd like to leave you with today's verse of the day. Psalm 34, verse 8, from the King James Version. O taste and see that the Lord is good, blessed is the man that trusteth in him. May this beautiful reminder stay with you throughout your day. As you enjoy the food you've prepared, may you also experience God's goodness, His faithfulness, and His abundant blessings in every area of your life. Thank you for spending this time with me. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next recipe. If you enjoyed today's recipe, I'd love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Nomsa's Kitchen for more wholesome, flavor-packed recipes every week. Tell me in the comments, what would you add to your perfect burrito bowl? Would you keep it classic, make it extra spicy, or add your own favorite toppings? Thank you so much for cooking with me today. Until next time, may your kitchen always be filled with delicious food, joyful moments, and God's abundant blessings. See you in the next recipe.
More exciting recipes coming up on Nomsa's Kitchen. We can't wait for you to join us again. Blessings.